Okay, I am capturing using the Camlink and the $15 HDMI to USB adapter. This is connected to a Mac Mini. I'm outputting to an HDMI splitter, and that shared signal is being sent to both devices, the Camlink and the USB video device. And just to confirm again, the pink device is the Camlink 4K, and the more orange device, the more beige color, is the HDMI capture, nameless dongle, and I'm applying two effects to both of them. One is a chroma key and a color saturation, just so that there's some contrast between the two. And from what I can tell is the Camlink is generally ahead. The Camlink can support higher refresh rates as well, so you have less delay between each frame as well. So if you're doing 60 frames per second on video, you're going to have, of course, less latency, just because you're not doing longer frame intervals. You'll need to slow this video down to see things properly, but maybe I can do that in just a second. Okay, so I set it to 60 hertz now, 60 frames per second output, and I'm drawing to the screen. Camlink is pink, and the beige is the HDMI adapter again. And we're going to slow this down and just check it out in slow motion. And a final test, this time at 720p resolution from the MacBook. 720p, same setup. And this is with YUV recording, so no motion JPEG, just YUV.